Hey Daniel, let's check this one out, buddy. So first things first, we're going to get all this stuff over to one side, right? So I'm going to minus 6x and I'm going to minus 3 from both sides. This is going to give us 10x squared minus 6x minus 3 equal to 0. Remember, at this point we could just graph this and see the answer, right? But let's work it out anyway. We're going to apply our quadratic, which is going to be negative b, so that's positive 6 plus or minus. Now the square root of negative 6 squared is 36 times negative 4 times 10 times negative 3. Now we have double negative here, so that's going to be a positive. We also have 2 times 10 down below. Our next line, this is going to equal 6 plus or minus. Now all this stuff underneath the radical symbol is going to simplify to 156 over 20. Okay? Now what we try to do with this 156, we're going to factor out the biggest perfect square we can get out of that, which is actually 4. So 4 times 39 would equal 156. So we can rewrite that. This is going to be 6 plus or minus the square root of 4 times 39. And I always put the perfect square first, over 20. So I can evaluate that now. So let's take the square root of 4. I can get my pen working. We know the square root of 4 is 2, so I can rewrite this again. So make some room, scroll down a little bit here. Our next line is going to be 6 plus or minus. Now the square root of 4 is 2, so this simplifies to 2 root 39 over 20. And at this point, we basically split this. And I notice you put in the plus or minus sign. Don't do that because MyMathLab wants you to actually separate them out. Okay? So let me just make some more room here. There we go. We're going to drawing tool back. We'll get rid of that. All right. Oh, sorry. All right, so let's split this up now. So this really simplifies to our fraction, 6 over 20. We're going to do the negative 2 root 39 over 20, comma, and then the positive of that. So we have 6 over 20 plus 2 root 39 over 20. And then we're just going to reduce these fractions. We have little fractions here, and we can reduce this part right here, same as over here, and same as here. We don't mess with the radical, we just reduce the fractions. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Half rule here gives us 3 over 10. So it's going to be 3 over 10 minus. This is going to simplify to 1 over 10. And don't write the 1, that's not cool. We'll just write it as negative root 39 over 10. And then over here again, same deal, 3 over 10 plus this time root 39 over 10. And that's going to be your answer, buddy. You're going to have to put all that in, no spaces, but make sure you put that comma in as well, okay? Don't do the plus or minus. MyMathLab won't accept that. So I hope that helps. You also have another attempt now, so you can jump right in. If you have any questions, just call me again, text me, or let me know. Keep up the great work.